Hello and welcome to 45 Cluett Drive in Ajax. This is the one your family has been waiting for. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath, detached home has been loved and professionally maintained by the same family since it was built. From the moment the lot was selected, no details were missed. 3-bedroom versus 4 allowed for larger rooms and closets. Thoughtfully designed kitchen with solid oak cabinets allows for maximum storage and no-fuss Corian countertops. Completely renovated bathrooms with modern finishes to top it all off. Call today for a viewing.